Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making your profile and environment actionable right away. Connect your CRM and enable tracking so every prospect flows into your pipeline. This saves time later. Next, define an ideal customer profile, industry, company size, revenue band, and specific titles to focus searches. Once done, open the prospector, set filters for location and firmographics, and run a targeted search. Make sure to save results to a new list so you don't lose progress. With a list in hand, refine it using Boolean keywords and technographics to cut noise. This narrows leads that match buying signals. Then run enrichment to append emails, direct dials, and up-to-date company details. Export a sample to verify accuracy. Once verified, tag and segment into outreach buckets, warm, nurture, high intent, so sequences behave correctly. Make sure to update contact owner and cadence settings because consistent assignment prevents duplicates and accelerates response tracking. Now finalize outreach by creating sequences with personalized tokens. Use name, role, and company pane. Then schedule varied send times to increase open rates. Sync activities to your CRM so replies and bounces are attributed. This keeps reporting clean. When campaigns run, monitor deliverability and reply rates and iterate messaging. If something breaks, rerun enrichment on failing contacts, check API rate limits and integration status, and refresh API tokens. That usually resolves missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.